Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make paella. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 bell peppers, a pound of shrimp, 6 cups of seafood stock. If you can't find any, just use 3 bullion cubes and 6 cups of water, 1.5 cups of frozen peas, 1.5 cups of arborio rice, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic divided, 2 tablespoons of half and half or whole milk, 2 tablespoons of olive oil divided, a teaspoon of paprika divided, a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, as well as 6 ounces of chorizo. We'll start by rinsing off our bell peppers. Then we'll core, seed, and thinly slice them. Then we'll heat 1 tablespoon of our olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once our oil is heated, we'll start to cook our chorizo, crumbling it as it cooks. Then add our bell peppers and cook until softened, about 4 minutes. Then we'll stir in our rice, 1 tablespoon of our garlic, our teaspoon of turmeric, and our half teaspoon of paprika, and cook until fragrant, about a minute. Then we'll add our 6 cups of seafood stock. I wasn't able to find any, so I'm going to be using 3 bullion cubes and 6 cups of water, and then add in our 1.5 cups of frozen peas. We'll cook this until the water has evaporated and the rice is tender, about 45 minutes while stirring occasionally. While our rice is cooking, we'll make our aioli. We'll mix together our quarter cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of half and half or whole milk, and our remaining tablespoon of garlic, until well combined. After making our sauce, we'll peel and devein our shrimp if necessary. My shrimp has already been deveined, but still needs to be peeled. After peeling our shrimp, we'll pat them dry with a paper towel and season them with our remaining half teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. About 8 minutes before our rice is finished, we'll heat our remaining tablespoon of olive oil in a separate pan over high heat and cook our shrimp until opaque, about 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. When our rice is done, we'll spoon it into bowls, top each bowl with about a quarter of our cooked shrimp, and our sauce to taste. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.